Do you want your video to be recommended to other countries? You want other regions, other countries to start watching your videos? Stick to the end of today's video. I'm going to be sharing what you need to do for YouTube to recommend your videos to other countries and for them to be able to click on your video and watch your video. I'm not going to be wasting your time. I will go straight to the point. What we need to do is to head to our YouTube studio. But before that, the first thing you need to consider if you want YouTube to recommend your videos to other countries is when uploading your video. Yes, there's a place called location where you click on the location and put, maybe if you're in Nigeria, you put Nigeria there. You need to stop doing that. Just leave it blank. Don't put any location except you want a particular location, but don't put any location so that YouTube is going to be able to recommend your video to all the countries. Reason is that when you put a particular location, let's say for example you put Nigeria, you are telling the algorithm that I want this video to be recommended to only people in Nigeria and not to other country. So that is what the algorithm will do to your video. They will recommend your video to only people in Nigeria. But when you did not put a location, the algorithm will start recommending your videos to all the location to see which region watch your video the most. While the second one is we are going to be using our YouTube studio, desktop version of the YouTube studio. Let me go to my YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio. So what you need to do is to go to your content, click on that particular video you want to recommend to other countries. Let's use this second one for example. So I've clicked on it. This side, you go through the subtitle. This is the subtitle button. This, you click on the subtitle. Then this add language, you click on add language. Then you come here, the countries you want to put. Let's use Arabic for example. Okay, I've choose one, Aramaic. Let's use Arabic. This is Arabic. You click on Arabic, click on the icon. That is that icon. Then you swipe up. See auto translate. You click on auto translate. YouTube will auto translate it for you to Arabic. Then you publish it. Then you go again. Choose another country. Let's use this you go ahead, auto translate, you publish it. So that is what you will do. So whenever another country click on your video and you already auto translate it to their country, as they are watching it, they are seeing what you are saying in their own language. It will be written there. Just imagine someone click on your video from a French country and the person does not hear English and you use English to make your video and the person click on it and you did not do this and the person try to watch your video. The person will not understand what you're saying because number one is written in English, you spoke in English. The person is unable to translate it to French because you did not do this. They will have to swipe away. They will have to remove the video. Or just imagine you do this and the person is hearing what you're saying. The person will be interested and want to watch it because there is no language barrier in it. So and me, I used to go ahead, like I go ahead to do this too. This Bangalish, this place that I put title and description, you click on it. I used to copy my title, I'll copy it. Then if it's Arabic I want to translate it to, I use my iPhone for that because it used to auto translate it for me. Then I'll copy and paste it in this Arabic space. If I copy it, I'll there's a translate, it will show translate for me. I translate. I used to use I translate, but I use my iPhone, and now it's my iPhone I used to shoot. Okay, this is it. It has translated it to Arabic for me. All you need to do is to copy the Arabic, then go back to your studio and paste it there. This is what they said and publish. So now when they are viewing your, like when they are seeing, they see your thumbnail. Yes, your thumbnail is in English, but the title is not in their language, so they will understand that okay, this is what this person wants to talk about. It will be easy for them to even click on your video and watch it without no barrier. So this is what you need to do for YouTube and for other regions to be watching your video. You can see it's very easy, and sometimes it's really hard to do it because trying to know the region. That's why you need to still work with your analytics. Try to know the region that is watching your video for you to know what to do. But most times I just choose, sometimes I choose 5 regions, sometimes I choose 10. It's just the time I have to do all this because each of the countries I have to auto translate and publish, then go to the title and description. Go to the title and description to translate it to their language again. So it's really hectic sometimes. But you need to start doing this if you want other countries to start watching your videos. And that is all for now. If you have any question, ask or put it in the comment section. See you all in my next video. Bye.